You don't just want a truck. You want a truck that is one of a kind. Lanoue Customs is proud to present this completely custom 2018 Silverado LT 4x4 Z71. The massive stance is delivered by a BDS 6.5-inch suspension lift with Fox upgrade shocks with meaty Nito 35-inch grapplers wrapped around 22-inch chrome fuel rims. Climbing into this beast is easy thanks to the driver and passenger side automatic AMP power boards complete with LED lighting. We didn't stop there. The entire exterior has been made over with an air-designed body kit which includes rugged flared fenders, vented hood scoop, tailgate accent, and enhanced bumper to name a few. Inside the cab is where beauty meets the beast with heated stitch-accented black leather seating with a large center console. The crew cab four-door has matching rear leather seating with ample, comfortable space for those important guests. Of course, you have all the power options you'd expect from the Silverado LT, like power windows, power seats, individual climate control, and integrated trailer brake controls leading to a factory-installed heavy-duty trailer hitch with wiring connections. The steering wheel has cruise control and systems controls leading to a digital center console information center matched to the Chevrolet MyLink infotainment system, featuring a large full-color touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, sat-nav, and a rear backup camera with available Sirius XM and OnStar. Under the hood, you've got the 5.3-liter V8 connected to an automatic transmission with a rumble provided by a Murphy aftermarket exhaust. There are simply too many details to list in this short video, so why don't you come see this Lanoue Custom Silverado for yourself today at Lanoue Chevrolet, your destination dealership here at the Tilbury Auto Mall.